Why will the Andromeda Galaxy collide with the Milky Way in 41 years? In this universe, hundreds of millions of galaxies and stars have continued to perform magnificent cosmic objects throughout the long history. However, there is a big collision that is about to rewrite the rules of this cosmic feast, triggering a star chapter in the evolution of the universe. Starring the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way, they will meet, collide, and merge 41 years later, bringing unprecedented changes to the universe. In order to understand this cosmic event on a deeper level, let's start by reviewing the science behind it. In 2012, astronomers through the Hubble telescope observations of the past motion of the Andromeda Galaxy. It was determined that there would definitely be a collision between the two galaxies. Then, this discovery has attracted a lot of attention, because this collision will be a major event in the history of the universe. So, how close is the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way? This question involves the structure of the universe. There is a hierarchical structure in the universe. Galaxies are the most basic unit of this, and they are clustered into groups of galaxies, and then form a supercluster. Our Milky Way galaxy belongs to the Virgo supercluster, and the Andromeda Galaxy is also in this cosmic hierarchy. However, higher-level structures also exist. The most striking is the Laniakea supercluster. Within this superstructure, there is a gravitational giant. It was named Giant Shadow Garden. The Giant Shadow Park has an extraordinary gravitational force, enough to pull millions of galaxies, make them move at high speed in the universe. This gravitational effect brings galaxies together. This makes it inevitable that the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way will move in the opposite direction, although the distance between them seems unattainable. Approximately 2.54 million light-years. But on a cosmic scale, the effect of gravity is even more significant. Push them towards the fate of encounter. The process is long and slow. It takes dozens of years. But in the end, they will unfold a grand collision on the stage of the universe. When the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way finally collide, what will happen? It's a fascinating question. This collision will be dominated by gravity. The two galaxies merge into a huge elliptical galaxy. This will be one of the most intense situations for galaxy-to-galaxy interactions. And we will be witnesses to this spectacular event. In the process of this merger, stars, planets, and dark matter will all be significantly affected. Stars may collide with each other, merge into a new galaxy structure. There will be chaos in the orbits of the planets. This can cause some planets to be derailed from their original orbits, while others may fall into the stars, dark matter, and the mysterious components of the universe. It will also be involved in this process to influence the mass distribution of galaxies. The solar system will inevitably be affected. Our sun will continue to rotate in this huge galaxy. The planets in the solar system will also be realigned. Formation of new galaxies. Such changes could have far-reaching implications for the Earth's living environment. New gravitational effects and interactions could alter the Earth's orbit. The climate and seasons can also change significantly. This will force life on Earth to readapt to the new environment, or humans may need to find a new home. Be careful, however. This massive galactic collision event is 4 billion years old. This is an unattainable future for us. But we should not ignore it. It's part of the universe. It is the inevitable result of the evolution of the universe. Although we were not able to witness this spectacular collision with our own eyes, but we can see it through the eyes of science, and learn about its impact on the universe. Before facing this cosmic upheaval, we have plenty of time to think about its implications, and how to pave the way for the future of humanity. Scientists will continue to study this phenomenon, to get a deeper understanding of the details of the collision, and possible effects on the solar system and the Earth. This kind of research will provide important clues for future scientific exploration and space exploration.